God came over the hill, His calling fair to see. His whistle low but shrill, the signal was to be. Mary the mother said, someone is whistling sure. Says Mary, 'tis only the wind is whistling through the door. I've lived a long time, Mary, in this wide world, my dear, but a door to whistle like that I never yet did hear. But mother, you know the fiddle hangs close beside the chain, and the wind upon the strings is playing the tune, I think. Mary, I hear the pig uneasy in his mind, but mother, you know they say the pigs can see the wind. That's true enough in the day, but I think you may remark that pigs no more nor we can see anything in the dark. Dog is barking now, the fiddle can play the tune, but mother, the dogs will bark whenever they see the moon. But how could he see the moon when you know the dog is blind? Blind dogs won't bark at the moon, nor fiddles be played by the wind. I'm not such a fool as you think. I know very well it is Pat. Shut your mouth, you whistling thief, and go along home out of bed. And you be off to your bed. Don't quit upon me your jeers, for though I have lost my eyes, I haven't lost my ears.